Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the channel. And today she's showing you how to make Yakhnit Kofta. That's Yakhnit Kofta. It's basically kofta cooked in yakhni, which is basically a tomato-based sauce. Absolutely delicious, especially for those cold winter days. It warms you right up, and you eat it with a bit of rice on the side. So you start off by chopping some parsley. Then you finally chop the onion. So this is the steps of making the kofta itself, the minced lamb balls, which is going to sit in the yakhni sauce, the tomato-based sauce. So in a pot, you melt a bit of ghee, then you drop the kofta balls in there just to sear them. You don't want to overcook them, you just want to see all the edges and harden up the exterior so they hold their structure once we drop them in the yakhni, in the tomato sauce. And once you've seared all the sides, as you can see, you remove them for the next step of cooking. And now you drop the onion and potatoes. You drop the onion and potatoes in the same pot you were cooking the kofta in for that extra flavor.
Cook it just a little bit until you get the raw flavour out.
You cook it just for a brief time, just to get that raw flavor out. So after the potato and onion have cooked for a couple of minutes, you drop the kofta balls. And now you drop the tomato paste. You don't want too much tomato paste. It's basically just to give it that red color and a slight tomato flavor. And you season it with salt and black pepper. And you gently stir it without overdoing it. Gently stir. So that's basically the color you're looking for. So you keep adding a bit of tomato paste until you achieve that color. And then once it reaches boiling point, you cover it and drop it to a very, very, very low heat, low simmer. And you let it simmer away for an hour or more, until literally the onion has dissolved, has melted away, and that's the indication to take it off the heat. As you can see, it's been simmering on very low heat for an hour and a half, and the colors have intensified and it has reduced a little bit. At this stage, you add the lemon juice. This is what gives it the zesty, tangy flavor to break through that richness and makes it a lot more appetizing and delicious and extremely nice to eat. That's it. And that's pretty much it. That's your dish. Very easy as well, extremely delicious. And you eat it with a bit of rice, in this case vermicelli rice. And there it is, guys. Kofta Yakhni. It's an absolutely delicious, delicious dish. It's basically a stew, a kofta stew. It's a traditional Middle Eastern recipe. Delicious, succulent kofta balls cooked in tomato-based sauce with a squeeze of lemon at the end for that tangy zestiness. Served with a bit of vermicelli noodle rice. It's cannot be missed, this dish. You must try it. It's an absolute winner. And please guys, if you liked what you're seeing, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.